So how many times have you gotten in on a breakout trade and it turns out to be a fake breakout? All right, today I'm going to show you how to get in on a breakout trade, or how to trade a breakout in order to be successful in your trading. Okay, you can see the asset I have right here is gold. Okay, and gold has been consolidating inside this zone for a very, very long time. And as you can see, there was a reaction to this ceiling here. There's another reaction, there's another reaction. Okay, and when we look to the support, there was a reaction here, there was a reaction here, reaction here. Okay, so this area here is an area of a key zone. All right, so a lot of breakout traders will be expecting price to break either above the key zone and they look out for entry, or below the key zone and they look out for entry. Okay, because this is how some people trade. They want to see price consolidating like this, up, down, okay, test here, down, right? And anytime price breaks above this one, they want to expect price to pull back into this area and then they sell. Okay, most of them too, anytime price breaks below a key zone, they look out to take a sell. They look out to take a sell at where the breakout happened. Their stop loss will be a little bit above structure and they target the immediate low. Okay, some people too will decide to wait for a retest to the key zone before they take a sell. All right, I'm going to show you how to trade it in each direction. All right, that there is a breakout for trade, or maybe a break and retest trade. All right, so looking at gold right now, you can see this line here is our line of key zone. All right, this line here is our key zone. And as you can see, price has been reacting to that place multiple times. When we look out to this area, you can see when the breakout happened, look at where the breakout happened. All right, price reacted to this area here. There was a push to the downside. Price pulled back, reacted, there was a push to the downside. So price came back to the same zone, and look at the reaction that happened there. Okay, look at the momentum that price used to break the key zone. All right, the candle that price used to break the key zone. All right, so this is a confirmation that this breakout is a strong and valid breakout. The candle is a strong momentum candle, and you can see there was actually little to no wick to that candle that broke above the key zone. And most of the traders would like to take a trade when price breaks above the key zone with a strong candle confirmation like this, put their stop loss a little bit below structure, and they target 1:2 profit. And you can see this trade, let's see, would have been either a successful trade or not. Let's zoom in and see. You can see this trade would have been a successful trade right at this spot. You see, this trade would have been a successful trade. All right, so that's how most traders do. Most traders too will actually wait for price to come back to retest the key area where there was the breakout, like there was a break, come back and retest. And most traders would like to take their trade here to the upside. Okay, that is how most traders trade when there is a breakout. And I'm gonna show you how to know when there is a fake breakout of price. All right, okay, so let's take this area of price for example to find out some of the cases that happens in the market where there is a fake out in the market. Okay, and how to identify them. You can see with GBP USD, there has been a reaction on our key zone right at this place. All right, there has been a multiple reaction on this key zone. Okay, right at this place before price finally pushed to the upside, decided to break this zone. Okay, and you can see there was a fake out, like something like a liquidity sweep before price started dropping to the downside. How will you identify if this is about to happen and how to trade it? All right, when you look at the zone, first of all, we have to first identify where the trend is heading to. You can see the trend is heading to the downside already. The trend is heading to the downside. Okay, and before this thing happened. All right, and I always advise people, if you want to trade, you always want to trade against the trend. If you will be trading against the trend, this liquidity sweep here wouldn't have been taking you along, I mean, the wrong direction. Okay, and look here too, when price was even approaching the zone, look at the candle that was forming here. There was a strong momentum candle that was forming around this place when price was approaching the zone. the candles were very, very strong, and they were momentum candles. All right, if I say momentum candles, they were very, very, very strong candles that was heading to the key zone. All right, and when price go to the key zone, look at the way momentum reduced from here. There was a lot of play around that place. Okay, when we look at the first example that we just did, price went straight to the zone and broke the zone straight to the upside before it started pushing. But you can see this one, when price was reaching the zone, you can see there was actually a reactions on that place, showing that price is not actually trying to come in and break this zone. You can see that there was actually a price slowing down at this place, showing that price is not actually trying to break the zone. So this area of price reactions will actually tell you that momentum is about to reduce. Look at this area too. When price was getting into this zone here, look at the momentum candle that was actually forming around this zone. They were just strong big candles, and when price was about to reach the zone, it started reducing to a minor candle. All right, so this is a confirmation that price won't be able to break this zone. All right, when price is approaching the zone and the candles are strong big momentum candles, and when they get to the zone, the candle starts shrinking, it indicates that no, price wouldn't be able to break to the upside. So what you're going to be doing is you just have to find out the area where price is going to be reacting multiple times in the market. All right, and when the breakout or the liquidity sweep happens in the market, and after it has already that's what you want to do, you just have to look out for area of entry or point of entry, and you take the trade. So you can be taking the trade around this place because there has been a liquidity sweep by taking people out of the market. There's been a liquidity sweep by taking people out of the market, and price has been able to break its previous low right at this place. So this is where you look out for to take your sell. Your stop loss should be a little to where the liquidity sweep is, somewhere to this place. Then you target the previous structure of price. So this is actually like 30 pips to 65 pip. All right, so you're risking 38 pips and target actually 68. All right, so this trade would have been a successful trade. All right, so most of the time you need to read the candlesticks, because the candlesticks speaks a lot to us. We are trading the price action, that is the candlesticks. So you actually need to read the candlestick reactions in on the chart. Okay, you need to read the candlestick reactions on the chart before you take the trade according to it. For example, here is look at how price was able to break the zone here. I told you when price was coming into the zone, look at the candles. This side too, there was a strong momentum candles, and when price got here, there was a little reaction, there was a push to the downside, a push up, there's a little consolidation, and when price was about to break, look at the strong momentum candle that break the zone. So this is an indication that yes, price is actually willing to break the zone. So you have to make sure the candlestick is speaking to you, and then you follow the trend, or you follow how the candlestick is speaking. All right, subscribe to the channel if you like the content like this, and let me know in the comment section if you have any comments, and don't forget to follow my Telegram link. I'll put it in the description. We share trading ideas and also signals together, and if you want to learn, you can hit me up on my Telegram and I'll be free to reply to you. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.